Alex's journey after the earthquake. In a quaint town surrounded by mountains, Alex lived a simple and happy life. He was a popular student, known for his laughter and helpful nature. One fateful afternoon, as he strolled home, chatting with his friends about their upcoming soccer match, the earth trembled. "Whoa, what's happening?" Alex exclaimed as the ground shook beneath him. Buildings trembled, and the air filled with the sound of crashing and screams. It was an earthquake, fierce and unexpected. Alex, in a brave attempt to help a small child, found himself struck by a falling sign. Pain shot through his leg, and darkness engulfed him. When he awoke, he was surrounded by chaos. People were running, helping, and some were taking advantage of the confusion. Alex saw a group of men breaking into a store, grabbing whatever they could. "Help! Please!" Alex cried out, feeling helpless and scared. A kind old man, Mr. Jacobs, who lived nearby, heard him and rushed to his aid. "Hold on, young man. Help is on the way," he reassured Alex. In the hospital, while his leg was being treated, Alex couldn't stop the shiver of fear that ran through him. The images of the earthquake haunted him, and the loud noises made him jump. Back home, Alex's mother noticed the change in him. "Alex, you haven't been eating much. Are you okay, dear?" she asked with concern. "It's nothing, Mom. I'm just not hungry," Alex replied, trying to hide his trembling hands. At school, things were no better. The once bubbly and active Alex now sat quietly in the corner. His friends, Mia and Jake, tried to cheer him up. "Hey Alex, you're going to play in the match next week, right?" Jake asked. Alex forced a smile. I don't think I can, Jake." Mia, noticing his discomfort, gently asked, "Is it because of the earthquake, Alex?" Alex nodded, tears welling up in his eyes. "I keep hearing those sounds, and I feel scared all the time." Mia hugged him. "It's okay to be scared, Alex. But you know, talking about it can help. Maybe you should speak to someone." Taking Mia's advice, Alex started counseling. He met Mrs. Brown, a kind therapist who listened to his fears and taught him ways to cope. "When you feel scared, take deep breaths and think of a place where you feel safe," she advised. Slowly, Alex started to heal. He participated in community rebuilding efforts, finding solace in helping others. Painting walls and planting trees alongside his neighbors brought a sense of normalcy and purpose. In these moments, Alex realized the power of community. He saw that in the face of disaster, people could come together to rebuild not just homes but also lives. Months passed, and the town began to resemble its former self. Alex, too, was healing. His nightmares were less frequent, and the sounds that once scared him now seemed less threatening. At the next soccer match, Alex joined his team. Though he didn't play, he cheered them on from the sidelines, his laughter ringing clear and true. "I'm proud of you, Alex," his mother said, tears of joy in her eyes. Alex smiled, feeling a sense of achievement. "I'm getting there, Mom. One day at a time." And so, amidst the rubble of the earthquake, Alex found strength. His journey taught him the importance of sharing emotions, the power of community support, and the courage to face one's fears.